Here are some highlights from the August issue of Onsite Installer. Most septic business owners believe success comes from grinding harder. Longer hours, more jobs, bigger crews. Jason Birdsong thought the same until burnout nearly drove him to quit. Then one simple question changed everything. Find out how rethinking your why could rewrite the future of your own business. The wrong tank size can turn a perfectly designed system into a ticking time bomb. Undersizing risks clogging downstream components, while oversizing wastes resources. So how do you find the sweet spot? How would you design an on-site system tough enough to handle wastewater from luxury homes, a massive marina, and one of the busiest restaurants on Lake Martin? Dale's Septic Service took on the challenge with a high-capacity, low-maintenance solution that's still outperforming expectations years later. See how this powerhouse install keeps a landmark running clean. Tough sites? Tight regulations? Find the advanced treatment units that get it done. The 2025 ATU directory puts the top brands and solutions at your fingertips so you can spec, install, and move on with confidence. Federal support for fixing failing septic systems in Alabama's Black Belt has been cut short, and the ripple effects could be big. See what's changing, what's at stake, and how it could impact your next project. Check out this lineup of advanced treatment solutions designed to deliver cleaner effluent, easier installs, and lower maintenance. Glenda McCaskill has spent 2 decades pumping tanks, renting restrooms, and pushing for smarter regulations. Stone and pipe is old news. VertiGrid uses modular sidewall dispersal to boost longevity, cut clogging, and fit where heavy equipment can't. All this and more is included in your free subscription to Onsite Installer magazine. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Onsite Installer. See you next month.